Good morning, students. Today we are taking one practice question to understand profit and loss appropriation account and the journal entries relating to it in a better manner. Now read the illustration properly. There are three partners D, E, F, and they are going to share profits in the ratio of 1:2:2, and their capitals were rupees 4 lakh, 6 lakh and rupees 8 lakh. The deed provided for interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum, salary of rupees 10,000 per month to F, interest on drawing is allowed at the rate of 12% per annum, and partner D withdrew rupees 40,000 on 31st January 2019. E withdrew rupees 50,000 on 31st March 2019. Make a correction here, it's written 10, it's 19. And the third partner F withdrew rupees 30,000 on 31st December 2019. During the year ended 31st December. See, many times the question says that year ends on 31st March, but in this question it is 31st December. Firm earned a profit of rupees 4 lakh. We have to pass the journal entries and prepare the P&L appropriation account. Now let's do some working. Partner D's capital was 4 lakh rupees and 10% interest is allowed. Now see, when question is not mentioning when the capital was introduced or its closing capital or opening capital, by default we will take it as opening capital. So on 4 lakh rupees at the rate of 10%, interest on capital will be allowed to D rupees 40,000. The second partner E will get 10% of 6 lakh rupees, that is 60,000 rupees. Third partner, on his 8 lakh rupees he will get 10%, which is equal to rupees 80,000. So in total 1,80,000 rupees will be allowed as interest on capital. D had withdrawn rupees 40,000 on 31st January. So from January to 31st December there are 11 months. So on 40,000 rupees at the rate of 12% for 11 months, it is 4,400 rupees. Partner E withdrew rupees 50,000 on 31st March. So for 9 months at the rate of 12% on 50,000 rupees, it is 4,500 rupees. Partner F withdrew on the last date. So interest on drawing will not be calculated because no time duration is there, so interest will not be there. Now D will be getting 1/5. Okay, the profit sharing ratio is 1:2:2. Divisible profit we will again discuss while solving the account is 1,08,900. So 1/5 of that is 21,780. E will get 2/5. So it is 43,560 and F will also get equal to E's share. Now let's go through the P&L appropriation account. Now see, the profit for the year was rupees 4 lakh. Okay, net profit is mentioned, so that is 4 lakh rupees. We had shown in the working the calculation of interest on capital, that is 40,000, 60,000 and 80,000 rupees. In total it is rupees 1,80,000 rupees. Partner F will get a salary of 10,000 per month, so 10,000 into 12, it is 1,20,000 rupees. We had discussed the calculation of interest on drawing. So D will be charged 4,400 rupees and E will be charged 4,500. In total it is 8,900 rupees. The total of these two is 4,08,900 rupees. From that we will deduct interest on capital and salary. So the divisible profit will be 1,08,900 rupees, which we will distribute in the ratio of 1:2:2. Okay, what is the profit sharing ratio? 1 is to 2 is to 2. Okay, in the previous page we have discussed that the calculation. Okay, so D will get 21,780, E will get 43,560, and F will get 43,560 rupees. Okay, do the calculation, multiplication, division on your own. Okay, don't just copy that. Now the journal entries. Okay, the first journal entry will be passed to transfer profit from profit and loss account to P&L appropriation account. The entry will be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Narration: profits transferred. Then second entry for allowing interest on capital. Interest on capital account debit 1,80,000 to D's capital 40,000, to E's capital 60,000, and to F's capital it is 80,000. So interest on capital total 1,80,000 is allowed, to D it is 40,000, to E it is 60,000, and to F it is 80,000 rupees. Now we will close the interest on capital account by transferring it to P&L appropriation account. So the entry will be P&L appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. Now we will pass journal entries allowing salary to partner F. So the entry will be partner salary account debit to F's capital. Now partner salary account has to be closed, so the entry will be P&L appropriation account debit to partner's salary 1,20,000 rupees. Okay, two entries are there. For allowing salary, partner's salary account debit. Okay, whenever in the board you are asked to pass journal entries, you pass this entry, don't pass this one. Okay, this is for closing the account. And for allowing salary, the entry is partner salary account debit to F's capital. Now to charge interest on drawing. See, D's capital account debit, E's capital account debit to interest on drawing account. D 4,400, E's capital will be debited by 4,500, and interest on drawing will be credited by 8,900. Now we will pass one more entry to close interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, here it was in the previous entry it was credited, so now we will debit it to close that, and it will be closed by transferring to P&L appropriation account. So interest on drawing account debit to P&L appropriation account. Now divisible profit. Okay, 1,08,900 will be divided among the three partners in the ratio of 1:2:2. So to D's capital it is 21,780, to E's capital it is 43,560, and to F's capital it is 43,560 rupees.